Apple stock split and Apple stock price target. Stock News 2020. Do you want to know what Apple stock split is? And do you want to know how far Apple stock can go? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Apple stock split? So Apple announced Apple stock split 4-1. It means that the stock gets smaller, is split into 4 pieces, into 3 additional pieces. So you will get, when the Apple stock split happens, you will get 3 more additional Apple stocks. And the Apple stock price will decrease 4 times lower. So let's assume the Apple stock price is $500. So after the Apple stock split, the Apple stock price will be $125. Let's give you another example so that you know how it works. So let's imagine you go to a grocery store and you find an apple. Well, not one apple, but like an apple package, 1 kilogram of apple, which costs like $4, let's say. And after the Apple stock split, you can buy like 250 grams of apple, and the price is $1. So technically, it's almost the same, but you can buy like smaller pieces, but a smaller package of apple. And yeah, not everyone needs like 1 kilogram of apple. 250 grams of apple is enough, and you just have to pay $1. So yeah, the stock price, the Apple stock price, will get artificially lower. And when does it happen? So at the end of today, the 28th August 2020. So after these trading hours, in the after hours. So that's the earliest time where you can get 3 additional Apple stock shares. Some brokerage give you the 3 additional Apple shares like on Monday next week. And on Monday next week, there will happen this new Apple stock price. So this post-Apple stock split. And yeah, why do companies do this kind of thing? Well, let's check this one out. So according to some analysts, this stock price will go like 33% higher just because of the split. So there's no additional value actually, but just because of this process, the Apple stock gets higher. So that's you can say, well, it's also a benefit for the company because their stock gets higher, and it looks also more affordable for newcomers, for new investors to buy one whole Apple share. So that's why more retail investors will buy Apple stock, because it looks cheaper. So it's like a win-win situation for both parties, for retail, for investors, for new investors who wants to buy Apple stock, and for the company. And another Apple stock news, it just hit $2 trillion of market capitalization. That was like on 19th August 2020, so roughly 10 days ago. So let's have a quick look in the future. So Apple will reach 3 trillion market cap. So let's see, the current market cap is like 2 trillion, like 2,149 billion US dollars. So let's calculate real quick how long it takes to reach 3 trillion US dollars. So 3 divided by 2.41. So that's roughly like 40% increase. So with this growth rate right now that we are having, Apple will reach a market cap of 3 trillion US dollars roughly at the end of this year. And let's do the math like for the next year. So right now it's like $500. 1 year ago it was like, let's calculate here, like $206. Okay, let's do the math here. So 500 divided by 206. So that's like roughly 140% increase within 1 year. This kind of performance. So the Apple stock price, let's multiply it with 500 with the current stock price. So next year it will reach roughly $1,200. The Apple stock price will reach $1,200 roughly. So this is a pre-stock price, and yeah, after the stock split, the stock price would be, let's calculate here. Next year it will be roughly $300. Right now it's roughly, if you do the split, it's roughly 125. So this is what will happen next. $3 trillion this year and $1,200 pre-split price next year. Smash the like button, like the smash button. Oh yeah, and I would like to add that this is not the first Apple stock split. This is actually the 5th Apple stock split. So the first Apple stock split ever was in 1987 on June. And let's assume if there is no Apple stock split, the Apple stock price would be 224 times more expensive. So let's do the math here real quick. So let's assume it's 500 times 224. So the Apple stock price without any Apple stock split would be $112,000. So this Apple stock price without any Apple stock split would be way too expensive for any retail investor. It's not affordable at all. That's why Apple does this kind of split. Any questions about this Apple stock split, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. There's almost 100 videos on my YouTube channel, so there will be certainly some videos that might be interesting for you. Check out the investing playlist in the video description below. Subscribe and see you next time.